Integrating ZoomInfo with Salesforce enhances your CRM by providing enriched data and streamlined workflows. Here's how to set up the integration. Prepare your accounts. Ensure you have active ZoomInfo and Salesforce accounts. Verify that you have administrative permissions in Salesforce. Log into ZoomInfo. Go to ZoomInfo and log into your account. Access the integration settings. In the ZoomInfo platform, navigate to Settings, Integrations, Salesforce Integration. Connect to Salesforce. Click Connect to Salesforce and log in with your Salesforce credentials. Grant permissions for ZoomInfo to access Salesforce. Configure Data Sync. Select the data you want to sync, such as leads, contacts, and accounts. Map ZoomInfo fields to corresponding Salesforce fields to ensure data flows correctly. Set sync preferences. Choose sync rules such as automatic updates or manual approvals for imported data. Test the integration. Perform a test sync by exporting a sample lead or account from ZoomInfo to Salesforce. Verify the data appears accurately. Optimize workflow. Use ZoomInfo's data to enhance Salesforce workflows such as lead scoring, segmentation, and campaign targeting.